Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to use Windows 11 PowerToys ZoomIt. So first thing you must understand is, of course, make sure to download the Microsoft PowerToys on the official Microsoft store, or of course you can download it on the internet. Now, once you have downloaded it, of course, you could just simply go ahead and open it up. And now from here, as you can see, this will be the home page of the Power Toys. So now you will have an option over here, System Tools. So go ahead and expand this category, and you will have multiple options over here that you can do. And for this video, we are going to be focusing on the Zoom It feature at the very bottom of the screen. So guys, are pretty much over here. As you can see, you should be able to enable the Zoom It feature. So pretty much over here, you will have multiple options that you could do, or multiple variations of a zoom in. So first off, we have the zoom, which from here, after toggling zoom it, you can zoom in with the mouse wheel or up and down arrow keys. So pretty much from here, you could change the key shortcut. And now you will have an option to have an animation zoom in and out, or smooth zoomed images. And you can change the initial level of magnification over here. And now you will have the live zoom, which you could draw and annotate the desktop live. So pretty much you could have a live draw, which from here you could enable some annotations. Now down below you will have the hotkey as well for the draw, which you can enable the draw over here, and you will have the instructions over here, as you can see guys. And you will have the type as well, and you will have the demo type as well. So pretty much over here you will have multiple tools that you could do related to Zoom It. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.